Hey there, welcome to our channel. In the world of cryptocurrency, where groundbreaking innovation meets decentralized finance, let's explore the key elements that make cryptocurrency a game changer. At the heart of cryptocurrency lies blockchain, a decentralized ledger that records every transaction across a vast network of computers. Transactions are bundled into blocks, linked together in a chain, ensuring transparency and security like never before. Gone are the days of centralized control. Cryptocurrencies operate in a decentralized manner, free from the influence of any single authority. Advanced cryptographic techniques safeguard transactions and control the creation of new units, ensuring paramount security. Enter the world of mining, a process by which certain cryptocurrencies validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Scarcity drives value, with many cryptocurrencies having a predetermined supply limit, potentially increasing their value over time. With peer-to-peer transactions, cryptocurrency enables direct, frictionless exchanges between users. Cryptocurrency wallets securely store public and private keys, allowing users to manage their digital assets with ease. Cryptocurrencies offer a new frontier in finance, decentralized, secure, and efficient. They challenge the status quo of conventional financial systems, paving the way for innovation and financial inclusivity on a global scale. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel.